Bird and Kip, Episode 52, Making a Snowman. Bird and Kip looked around. Snow was everywhere. It covered the ground. It covered the tree branches.
Let's make a snowman,
Said Kip.
That sounds like fun,
Said Bird. Kip made a snowball. He rolled the snowball in the snow. The snowball grew bigger and bigger. Bird made a snowball. She rolled the snowball in the snow. The snowball grew bigger and bigger. Bird and Kip lifted Bird's snowball. They put it onto Kip's snowball. Then they put a small snowball on top.
Our snowman is almost done,
Said Kip.
He needs a face and arms,
Said Bird.
I'll look for sticks,
Said Kip.
I'll look for pebbles,
Said Bird. As Kip walked around, the wind blew. It shook the branches. Snow fell on Kip's head.
Bird!
Cried Kip.
Someone threw a snowball at me.